Hello guys, welcome to Addota Farm. We all know that snail business is lucrative in Nigeria, but if you didn't know, then I'm actually giving you guys today. I'm actually telling you guys today that snail business is lucrative. In Now, as you can see, I'm supervising a snail pen, and it consists of 11 house. The house is well built and it has enough space for the snail. So we use mud block for the house, and the house outside we use cement to support the mud block. So you can see the clip of the video right now. As you can see, the work in progress. So we use about 800 mud block and 2 bags of cement. So, and that 2 bags of cement is not even enough for the house. We use the cement for the outside and the top of the pen. So the work is still in progress, like I said. So as you can see, so on top of the pen we are not cemented. Reason being that the cement we are not enough for the building. So we still need like 1 more or 2 bags to complete the pen, and that is when we'll start the covering of the pen. This particular land has a lot of trees because snail doesn't like, to excess sun and excess wind. So this particular land has a lot of trees and is close to water. Is a wet area. Sure, Giba. So like I've said earlier, this is still work in progress. So if you are thinking of starting something like this, then like I said, you have my go ahead. And if you know nothing about this snail business, you can contact me, and I'll be your consultant. So I'll still give you guys update. So whenever we start covering the snail house, I'll still give you guys a new video about that. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on how we'll start covering the snail house. So if you want something like this, like I said, snail is a lucrative business, please go ahead and start up a snail business. So I still remain Julius Obasojo, and from Addota Farm. Bye.